Okay, for the next one of the night, I'm going to do a little bit more fussy cutting on this. This is another one of my vintage cards, and it's a little big for what I want to do with it. So I am going to mount it on the edge. I just have to decide which edge I'm going to do. I think I will do that one because it will hug up to the top here and do more of the space. So I'm going to hug that up there real tight, and then I am going to take my pen and trace the edge. Cut that in a little bit more so it will show some of the background. And I decided that I need to trim up this edge as well. And I'm purposely leaving background. Number one, because I think that yellow will be a nice contrast for the card, but I also like the look of just having a little edge. A lot of my vintage cards, well, I won't say a lot, some of my vintage cards do not lend themselves cutting down, or they have too much damage on them to cut down, to make into an ornament shape. So I have been making cards. I will try to remember to show you a picture. I did do a video on them not too long ago, so you can find that in the queue. But I take one-sided card fronts and mount the cards onto them, and sometimes I add a greeting, sometimes I leave it as is, but it's a way to preserve the card. It's saved for another purpose, and they make, I can usually focus on one area and make an interesting, not really a vignette, but kind of a slice of life type thing. A lot of the, especially the 50s cards, were like "To Grandmother's House We Go" and things like that. That, you know, they'll show a whole scene. They didn't go in for wording. They went in for pictures for the most part, or at least those are the ones that survived. From the look of these tags that I found, they might be vintage. Get a little bit more glue on that. We don't want that popping up. And I will probably go in there with, well, some leftover pop dots. I will go in there and put some of those in the center and maybe use some stickles to highlight the holly berries. Here's the stickling. Let me do that first off. This is a cool product if you've never tried it. It's like glitter glue, but it keeps its shape. So you get some 3-dimension to whatever you put on it. Plus it's really shiny. The only other thing I added were some gold accents to the center of the poinsettias. I hope you enjoyed that one. It's a pretty simple, pretty basic finish, but it turned out well. I don't like to do a whole lot to the vintage cards. They speak for themselves. My name is Sarah, and I go by the Thrifty Crafty Stitcher.